West, okay. Hey, we have stopped here at a little bar, and as you can see, Pauline is there eating her olives. Okay, she's been. We, I had to ask the bartender to provide her with an extra bowl of olives just for her benefit. Okay, but the bar itself is quite pleasant, relaxing, and easy to sit down in. Okay. This is the view that we have here at the moment of it. Okay, and they have made it that it's almost like sitting in your front room. Very pleasant. Okay, I'm going to catch up with you guys later on. Okay, and I'm just going to get back to my beer. I've got to go and finish that. That's off now, and okay, and here I am, and that's my beer on the table there, finishing. Okay, cheers. Bye for now. Chat later.